Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to talk about hard water buildup in your toilet and how to control it. Okay, if you live in an area with hard water, you already know it's a real hassle, right? Not just around the faucets, but in the toilet as well. And so there's sort of a regiment you're going to need to get into to try and keep everything working properly. The first is cleaning the inside of the tank really well. The best way that I have found to do this is to take a calcium cleaner or a lime cleaner, pour it into the tank, and then use a brush, like a toilet brush, to kind of scrub the insides of the tank and even the fill valve and areas like that where the calcium can build up. Once you do that, you kind of want to get into a habit of maybe once a month or so, you take a quarter cup of that same cleaner and you dump it into the tank and let it sit there. That will help to decalcify some of the buildup that occurs inside the tank. If you stay ahead of it, it should help you make sure that that toilet is working properly.